My name is Dr. Luis Martinez. I'm a general dentist here in St. Pete. Dr. Hedrick and I have been working together for years. Send my patients here because I know they do great work. And then about 5 years ago, I was acted like a typical patient. I had a tooth that was bothering me. It started to get hot sensitive, and I kept avoiding it and ignoring the symptoms, thinking, oh, it'll go away. Like I said, like a typical patient. Did a great root canal for me. I've been sending patients here for years and years, and because I knew they do great work. But so when it was time for me to have my own root canal, I came here. Well, I know that Dr. Hedrick uses a microscope for every root canal. A lot of the other endodontists, they only use them for certain teeth, which makes no sense to me. If you have the technology, you should use it for every single tooth. And I am confident that Dr. Hedrick does. So, I want my patients to have the most perfect outcome you can have. And I know that when they come here, they will have a great root canal and they're not going to experience any pain. As a general dentist, I've been doing this 33 years now, and I always have my patients' best interest at heart. As far as when I provide care for them, I treat them like if it was my family. So whenever anybody's needed a root canal, I want them to have the best result, just like if it was my wife or my daughter. If I'm going to have a root canal done, that's who I send patients here, because I know they're going to get the best outcome.